Hi guys! Today I'm taking you wedding dress shopping with me. And no, I'm not getting married. It's actually my best friend who's getting married next year. Since I'm a part of the bridal party, I wanted to document this wonderful memory, something to look back on, you know? Anyways, we are currently at Janine's Bridal Boutique. Definitely make reservations in advance if you're planning to check out this place. As you can see, I'm currently in the lobby area, so I'm just panning the view of what it looks like in person. So there are some chairs that you can sit here while waiting for family and friends, and of course the bride-to-be. I love their flower wall, by the way. Look at how tall this is and so many beautiful roses there. This is a place where you're supposed to take pictures once you say yes to the dress. As for wedding dresses, guys, there are so many different styles and options. I had no idea there was this many. I saw some ball gown styles, mermaid style, trumpet style, sheath style, A-line style, T-length style, fit and flare style, and column style. As for prices, these wedding dresses actually ranges from $1,500 to $5,000. I'm not too familiar with wedding dress pricing, so don't quote me on this. I pretty much saw the price tags and assumed that was the appropriate range. Drop a comment down below to let me know how much you paid for your wedding dress or how much you plan to spend. I am super duper curious. Look at the intricate details on this dress. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And of course, the chandelier, which is so fancy and pretty. I love this centerpiece. Oh, and don't forget about your wedding veils. So I saw different styles. Some were long and some were short. I guess to each their own. Everyone has their own preferences. But I am so obsessed with the laces. Look at this. This is beyond beautiful. So my best friend, who is a little sister to me, she found her 9 wedding dresses that she's about to try on. And here we are with the bridal party. We're waiting for her to come out, trying each and every single one of them. Like I said earlier, there are a total of 9 wedding dresses that the bride-to-be tried on. Does she find the one and only wedding dress of her dreams? Who knows? You gotta watch to the end of the video to find out.
Oh, I'm so excited for you, Sophie. Can't wait to see you in your dress.
Congratulations.
Hi, Sophie. So excited for your wedding dress today. Can't wait to see you in it.
Hi Moy! I'm so excited to be here and I hope that you'll be able to choose your dream dress. Can't wait to see you come out with your beautiful dresses.
I like the bottom and the top. I guess the middle part, I guess it's sheer. Maybe I'm wearing my bra so I don't get the full effect. I think I'm just looking at my tummy.
It's okay. We're gonna do Chloe Ting. We're gonna eat clean and work out.
Don't worry about that.
I like the front.
Do you like the first one better? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a lot better.
I just wasn't sure because it was my first one, so I was like, should I like love it already or? I don't know. Straps, you basically can get 2 looks, so you can wear it for the ceremony and for photos, and then remove it for the reception. I like the top part and like the off the shoulder. I think I like the top half more like than the bottom half.
Okay. That's totally.
Yeah, I like this one.
Cute.
I like this.
You like that one?
I like the sparkles.
Yeah, the sparkles on the chain is so.
I see.
The sparkles on that.
The back is cute too.
Okay. But I like this kind of neckline.
How did the
So you still like this neckline?
I like this neckline.
Yeah. Okay.
What did you like about the top part from the one before? Did you like how
I think I like the pattern.
Yana, this one has a lot more intricate detailing. Do you like that long back or the short back?
I really like the strap part too. and the
I like the straps. Yeah, I okay, which
Your baby.
I like the top.
I like the top.
I just like the
I
top.
thought I wouldn't like this, but it's actually not bad because it has this part. So I like this one on more than on the hanger.
Yeah, this is cute. It's simple in the back.
Yeah.
I like the back of the.
The other one.
The other one.
Yeah.
I like the bodice.
I think this is more white though.
Yeah, the other one's cream, huh?
The other one is more.
Okay.
The front of this one is also.
Ooh, girl, the front is really deep.
This is.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
She's a bride.
Christian, I'm gonna cry.
You're about to get baptized. I don't know how to do that. This is really pretty though.
Do you want it even shorter than that?
I think this is good.
Oh yeah, it is. Do you like this one better or the other?
I wanted to see what it looks like, but I think I like the off the shoulder part, but I guess not the.
It's not that much over budget though. It's really not that much. It's a flight, but it's not bad.
I want it.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
I thought I wouldn't like the music or the little.
I like it actually. It's cute. The straps are also cute on this one. The
Your
straps
baby.
are like sparkly.
Yeah.
Beady. Yeah.
This is really hard.
Oh my god, she's saying yes! Is this your gown? Wait, she's shocked too! Oh my god, I love it!
Okay. I think this is the winner.
Yeah. Did it check out a lot of the boxes for you?
It's the only boxes that, like you said, it was above my budget, but I still wanted to try it anyways.
And that's okay, we'll work something out for you. If you feel like this is your gown.
I think I'm gonna pick this one.
Oh my god! Yes! So I'm gonna say yes, this is your dress? You're saying yes? Yes! And you like the color too?
I like this more than the really like the bright one. The bright, yeah, what you said.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
little bit
No, I really like the color.
lighter colors.
Yeah.
Yay!